Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, let's use some of that fresh peach and pineapple salsa and make a topping for this delicious grilled cilantro lime chicken. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to be making a cilantro lime marinated chicken. Rick is going to throw this on the grill later, but I wanted to show you guys how to make the marinade. This is super easy. I have a half a cup of vegetable oil. So this is sunflower oil. You can use whatever your favorite oil is. Canola oil, corn oil, plain vegetable oil. I have almost a full cup of chopped fresh cilantro. 3 or 4 green onions that I just sliced up. Not too fine, but these green onions were enormous. So you can see this is approximately a cup. I have 2 serrano chilies. Now, these are much spicier than I had anticipated. I would have normally just diced these up really fine and thrown them into the marinade, but because they're super spicy, I'm gonna leave them cut in quarters, and then we're gonna be able to remove them easily, and it's not gonna give like a super heat. It's just gonna give a little bit of heat. I have 3 fresh garlic cloves that I minced. I have the juice of 3 limes, and I have a teaspoon each of kosher salt, ground cumin, and smoked paprika. So what I have over here is just a family tray of chicken breast, boneless, skinless. I went ahead and I took them out, I trimmed them up, and I cut them each in half lengthwise. So you can see I kind of butterflied them so it makes 2 pieces of chicken. And then I took the shells from the limes that I juiced and I tossed them in this bag. This is the easiest way to me to marinate meat, and that's just in a plastic bag. So I'm just gonna toss all of this goodness in this bag. There goes our lime juice, our oil, our garlic, our cilantro, because it's cilantro lime chicken and you gotta have that, our green onions, our extra hot serrano chilies. You can leave those out if you don't like that. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle in our seasonings, and I'm gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna fold as much of the air out of it as I can, and I'm gonna seal it up. And then I'm just gonna give this a good toss and get everything distributed the best that I can so that everything gets a good coating of the oil and the lemon juice or the lime juice. Everything's going to get a good coating of all of the fresh, delicious ingredients that we have in here. Now, this would be delicious marinade for a chuck roast, and then you could slow cook it and make shredded beef tacos. This would be awesome for pork chops, bone-in or boneless. A great marinade for a pork shoulder. This would make a great light marinade for a piece of not super delicate fish. I would use halibut or cod and use this as a marinade for like 20 minutes, and that's it because fish is super delicate. Also, you could marinate some shrimp in here, but again, you don't want to let that go for longer than like 30 minutes. If the shell is on, 20 minutes if the shell is off. I'm gonna let this chicken sit here while our grill heats up, which is gonna take about an hour. I wouldn't let this chicken marinate for longer than 3 hours because the acid from the lime juice is going to start to actually essentially cook the chicken, and you don't want that. Otherwise, the protein is going to get mushy and it's going to taste weird after it's cooked. I'm going to pop this in the fridge while the grill heats up, and I'll be back when our chicken is all done. You guys know how to grill a chicken breast, so I'm going to show you what this looks like when we're all finished and ready to serve. Well, there you have it. Rick went ahead and grilled up that chicken. It marinated just a little over an hour, and I have got to tell you, this smells incredible. I made some, it's kind of like a tomatoey rice pilaf. I think Rick is going to taste this for us.
I have to.
It looks amazing, and I draped over that fresh peach pineapple salsa that I made in a previous video. So let's give that a try. What do you think? It looks amazing. I'm gonna tell you right now.
That's a restaurant dish.
Is it? Oh, that's a winner. Oh, wow. Y'all, This hits all the notes, all of them. It's perfect. It's light, grilled chicken. You can taste the cilantro, the lime, all the seasonings that we used up in there. Topped off with that fresh salsa. It's really a winner. So that's easy. It was so easy to make. You make the salsa, marinate the chicken, throw it on the grill, make you some rice or whatever side you're gonna make, and you've got a complete dinner. This is guest worthy, and I know you're gonna love it. I hope you give this awesome grilled cilantro lime chicken with fresh peach pineapple salsa a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.